Hi guys, today we'll be working on this Honda. I'll show you fuse box location on this Honda CR-V. Before we get to your fuse box location, you also have your OBD port. It's located right in here, right under the steering wheel. If you need to plug in your computer or for DQ. And to get to your first fuse box location, it'll be right in here. Just open this up, and there's your fuses. And the location is gonna be on the lid, which one's for which. This way. To get to your second one, it's gonna be under the hood. This one's already open. The grill is off, but there should be a latch right around here somewhere. To grab it, you just either pull on it or push on it, and that comes out. And then just stick this side right there. And your second one will be located right on this side. Usually you have a cover right here, just like this. And actually like this. And to open it, you just click two here and two here. That comes up, and there's your fuses. And your location will be right in here. To close it, you just line it up just like this. Make sure it clicks. Also, there's one more right here. To open this one, you just click here, and that comes out. There's two relays and some fuses, and the location is it can be right on top here. To put it back, you just line it up. So this will be it for this one. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll see if I can answer them. If I can't, also comment below. Maybe someone else can. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.